guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you May's Look for Less challenge, and if you're not familiar with the Look for Less challenge, it is hosted by the Latina next door, and this month's co-host is Linda at FaithChicks777. Once again, I am bringing you an item from Wayfair that I had come across while searching for some neat lemon decor ideas, and I had found this 20-inch beaded lemon desktop succulent plant in wood ledge, and the price, as you can see, was $110 on sale, regular $120, and I can't believe that they would actually charge that much for it. So I had picked up a while back. I have used this already, but this is a vintage box. It is a gift box that you can get at our liquor store, and you can put some wine in it. It's a vintage wine box, and I had just painted it white, and I was using it for something else, so I will be using this time, and I will have all the prices down below. I believe that this vintage box is $7.95 at our liquor store. The lemons, I had bought a set of lemons for $12. No, a set of 12 lemons for $7 from Michael's, because I used my 40% coupon, and the rest of the stuff I had on hand. So I had spent $15 on my project that I actually bought. The rest of the stuff I had on hand. So since I already painted this white, I will not be painting, but if you can see on that box that's from Wayfair, it has a little bit of kind of an age look to it, so I will be doing that for mine by adding some dark wax to it. Hopefully that will work the way I had envisioned it. Sometimes things don't work out. And I'm using Annie Sloan dark wax. So I have dipped some in, and I'm just spreading it on the brush, and I'm going to gently just brush it. I'm going to take a rag and just rub it in. It just kind of brings out the little wood lines that are there, and I will repeat the same thing on this side. So that's pretty good, just so you can see. And now for the inside, I have just some styrofoam, and I'm going to cut this one. And I'm not gluing it just because I might want to use it for something else. So I'm going to use these leaves to just put them in. And these leaves have come from the Dollarama. I've been just using them for different projects throughout the year, usually as vase fillers. And then for all the little openings, I'm just going to put some of this deer moss. There we go. This was such a simple DIY, and I can't believe that it costs so much money to purchase it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you are brand new to my channel, I would love it if you consider subscribing, pressing that notification bell. I have tons of other lemon decor that I have already posted, and I will link my summer DIY and decor playlist down below as well. And there will also be a playlist for this challenge, so make sure you check out the playlist, check out Latina Next Door channel, as well as Linda's channel, for all the inspiration that you need for your next DIY project. And like I said, if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for following along and for your continuing support. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.